Why does Grandma's secret cookie recipe never fail? Every Christmas, her cookies are the talk of the town. Last year, I asked for her secret. She winked and said, "It's all in the vanilla." But here's the twist, no vanilla in the pantry. Yet, they tasted just right. I was puzzled. So, I snuck back to watch her. Plot twist. She replaced vanilla with applesauce. The real secret was in her heart. She said, "It's the love, not the ingredients." The cookies bonded our family each year. A lesson, sometimes, connection beats perfection. Isn't that what holidays are all about?